Investments can be as small as $10 or even greater than a sum that exceeds millions. You could still start small and build up over time to something greater. There are several possibilities available from which you may launch your investment career. If you have a sum of around $10,000 and you are looking to invest your money into something fruitful and profitable, look no further. This post will go through a variety of possibilities to assist you in choosing wisely for your investment. There are various options for you in the physical world and the virtual world. These investments will indeed benefit you. You can have a short-term investment as well as a long-term investment. It's only wise to spread your investments across at least 2 to 3 assets. Physical assets. Physical assets are the ones that you can hold on to as physical proof, or that exist in the real world. Some examples are gold, real estate, price bonds, committees, foreign currencies, and other forms of tangible economic resources. Virtual assets. Virtual assets are investments you have in the digital world. These investments are made from fiat money, but they exist in digital forms. Virtual assets are considered more profitable than that physical assets. This is because many investors believe the innovative world is increasingly taking over each individual. More and more people depend on technology for their daily tasks. This aids the growth value of digital assets. Virtual assets include cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, NFTs, EFTs, index funds, metaverse lands, or other digitally available worthy assets. Virtual assets are known to make rapid profits or fairly quick profits rather than physical assets. Just take a look at the early investors of Bitcoin. Now they have become a Bitcoin millionaire within a decade or less. This indicates that investing in the digital asset will assure profitability quicker than physical assets. However, to say that virtual assets are entirely better than physical assets might be foolish. This is because traditional asset classes have a significant value of their own which is everlasting. In this video, we have handpicked a mixture of virtual and physical assets where you can effectively invest and will receive promising returns on your investments. 1. Equity shares. Multiple companies have equity shares available for the common public. You can invest in a fractional share of a company that will increase in value with time and profit you. 2. Crypto. Cryptocurrencies have a variety of options to choose from: ETH, Doge, Sol, etc. For rapid profits, you can trade crypto as well. 3. Metaverse. Metaverse is an entire world of possibilities where you can invest in meta stocks, virtual lands, or meta crypto coins. 4. Gold or other metals. Investing in gold or any other precious metals is a great option because their value increases over time. 5. Real estate. Undoubtedly, real estate is a traditional way to invest and make money in the longer run. Remember to diversify your investment portfolio in order to receive profitable returns from multiple sources. There are several possibilities available from which you may launch your investment career. Physical assets are the ones that you can hold on to as physical proof, or that exist in the real world. Virtual assets are investments made from fiat money, but they exist in digital forms. Virtual assets are known to make rapid profits or fairly quick profits.